What do they think about food? What do they feel for food? How do they consume food? How do they cook food? Where do they cook food? Where do they buy food? From anything and everything to do with food, time, pattern, plates, cutlery, everything.
Dal makhani is one of such dishes. Everyone who tries to make the original one.
What are friends doing? What are they taking? Where is my best friend going? And that's how we were making decisions.
This is a very crowded category, as you mentioned.
This will be a challenge every time.
Vix, have you had breakfast? We'll be talking a lot about food if you want to grab a toast.
What we're trying to do in a nutshell is make cooking extremely easy.
I have the box in my hand.
Where is the best dal makhani in Delhi right now, in your opinion, without any biases?
Once my brother got into IIM Calcutta, that's when I got additional pressure कि यार अभी तो करना ही पड़ेगा. There's no one more year for me.
I got an interview call and I went for an interview even though by then I realized कि मैंने किसके लिए मुझे आर्मी में थोड़ी ना जाना था. And the only two things I remember about Visakhapatnam is खाना अच्छा था और आधे से ज़्यादा लोग नेवी वाले थे.
So the safest option was to take science and then move into medical or an engineering.
Food नहीं करना था, medical engineering कर लिया. Why IIM?
Obviously, IIM is a dream destination for anyone who wants to pursue management.
This is my theory. I'm seeing people around me, very small sample set.
Somewhere I didn't want to, but I was ending up doing it.
तो मैं से जीन्स तुम्हारे वहीं से आए हैं, फिक्र मत करो, तुम वहीं जाओगे. Apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
The sole intention was, if I get selected, I'll get a chance to travel out of my city and experience something else.
But I think sometimes, when you're just absolutely crazy about something, you were just able to do it. Your stature, your education, your whatever degree, even if you're an IIT, IIM, it doesn't matter. You are the person who's talking to the customer. So it was the most humbling experiences.
If I told I'll do something, I'll work at my own time, but it never happened till now.
Today, if everyone looks back and says that, yes, buying shares, leadership, blah, 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 we see, there's going to be the 4 Ps and the 4 Cs and then the 4 S and everything. There's going to be Pestle and Kotler and Porter and everything. In real corporate world, that's not how it works, right?
The volumetric space a product is occupying in Walmart or Gap is actually directly associated with the revenue loss if it stays for a few weeks and how it enters into discounted price.
Passion turning into business was very confusing to me, so I didn't know what to do now.
बेटा तू यहाँ जा. There is this restaurant called Great Punjab. सरदार चलाता है. मैं से यार okay, what could go wrong?
Love going to a particular place only to eat something.
तू पैसे ले ले भैया, मुझे नहीं आना तू.
आंध्रा मटन करी में लाल मिर्च का डोमिनेशन बहुत ज्यादा है. इतना है कि few people will not like. हमारा में रहेगा. That's it.
But I think I like the food that's made in my home kitchen.
So that is when we are going to give them all the tough questions.
I think that part of the messaging needs to come out much more strongly.
That how is it possible in 15 minutes they could have a paneer butter masala or a butter chicken to add no preservatives, no chemicals, no additives, emulsifier, nature identical, flavoring, bullshit, nothing.
You'll be surprised the brands like Dabas of the world, ITs of the world, everyone using some other additive and compromising.
Things that are clean label aren't really as clean label anymore.
People don't actually know whether it's clean label.
A lot of people start with clean label.
We'll keep getting this question on our face for the rest of our lives.
I'm not sure if I went and I tasted a dal makhni which was not localized to me, how much I like it.
We never talk the next 12 months, 6 months, next fundraise, no.
Are you not looking at cash flow and cash burn?
No, of course we are. See, that is
one of the reasons why we have this channel, a way for alumni to know each other. Where is the best dal makhani in Delhi right now?
It's in your house when you use curry.
Very nice, very smart.